off the edge, fuck your bitch, don't want her back. Had to switch my lanes, niggas sneaky just like rap. Hey guys, what's up? So, yeah. My hair is looking crazy, but I got a secret. I got a surprise for y'all. Okay? And the surprise is, if you follow me on TikTok, then you know what the surprise is. If you don't, then surprise. I'm going to be dyeing my natural hair without bleach using these. So as you can see, I got 1 red and 2 magenta. Hopefully 3 is enough for all of my hair. I seen a girl with super long hair only use 3. So yeah, I mean, her hair wasn't as thick as mine, but it's about 3 times the length as mine. So I think that we pretty even. So 3 should be enough for my head. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna make this video super duper long because this is just so simple. But anyways, I already told y'all I'll be using these. And the box say you're supposed to mix it with 30 or 40 developer, but I got both. And neither one of these full, so we're just gonna be mixing. If my hair fall out, I'm gonna cry, but it's okay, it'll grow back. Yeah. So I got my mixing bowl and my brush, and I got some gloves because you're gonna need some gloves. And I got these little hair clamp things. There's some more of them somewhere, but yeah. So I'm just gonna get into it. Finna just speed it up, and y'all just gonna watch the process. Y'all, this is red. So let me tell y'all what I did. I used a little bit of red, and I used the whole tube of magenta. And so what I'm gonna try to do is do my hair in 2 sections. So like the back half and then the top half. But yeah, this is the color. This is what those 2 colors look like mixed together. Yeah, I just hope my hair don't be too bright, but I hope it's like, it just look good. Okay, so yeah, this color match my skin though. I will say this is strong. Like, I probably should have did this in the bathroom. They did say you're supposed to do it in a ventilated area, but I just didn't care. Like, I'm in my room. So yeah, I would not say do that at home. But yeah, so what I need to do now is basically base my hair line all around with some Vaseline or some coconut oil, whatever people be using to base their hair. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, got the Vaseline, y'all. Okay, so I already see how this finna go now. Like, yeah, because I'm so hairy, it's gonna be really hard to get like my sideburns and back here. So if that shit is still black after I dye it, then oh well, because yeah, I'm really scared because I'm finna start this process, and I never dyed my hair myself before. I got it dyed at the salon. Of course, I've dyed like weave and stuff, but I never dyed my full hair myself. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a top. First, let me part it in sections. I'm gonna have the top section and the back section, cause yeah, it might just be easier that way. Trying to see my part. I got this other mirror. I can't even see. I'm dead. Okay. I really usually just feel my parts, but these gloves is not letting me be great. So, yeah. I'm just gonna, this is just gonna have to be good enough, because that part don't gotta be, you know, straight. So we got the back, And I'm finna start this process. I don't know if I said this, but you're supposed to do it on dry hair, which means don't wash your hair before you do this, because you're gonna have to wash your hair afterwards. I should have got a bigger brush, but y'all, I'm doing it. There's no turning back now. It is no turning back. And they say you was supposed to apply this immediately after mixing it. My stuff was sitting because I had to wait to get the Vaseline. Oh, okay. It's just on my shirt. I put this shirt on because I don't care about this shirt. This is a old shirt from high school. But yeah, this is basically what I'm finna do, y'all. I already got that on my skin, like, wow. Y'all. Okay. This crap is about to burn my eyes, y'all. I see why somebody said you need goggles. No, kissy. Okay, let me stop playing and get this process going. All right, y'all. I'm just finna speed it up, but I need to stop recording, but I can't because I got all this stuff on my glove. So let me take my glove off. I got a portion of the bag done, but I'm about to relocate because this shit stank and it's burning my eyes, and yeah, and it's on my skin, and I need to you know, go to a better area to do this because yeah, this crap burned, and like it burned my eyes a little bit, and like it's strong. Like, alright, y'all, I relocated to my bathroom, and I'm not gonna try to get this on my scalp because it is low-key feeling like a perm. I don't think it's supposed to feel like that, but yeah, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and finish what I started in the back here, and then yeah. Okay guys, so I did the whole back. I'm about to do the front and then let this process for about 30 minutes. I'm probably going to end up rinsing the back out first since it's been in there for a little bit, and I don't think I should be scratching my scalp with this in. Yeah, it's not bleach, but it's still like a chemical of some sort. So yeah, I have to mix some more because yeah, I'm basically out. So all in all, 3 tubes is gonna do my whole head because yeah, I didn't even use all of that in the back. So I'm about to hurry up and mix some more, and then y'all are gonna see me do the front. Okay y'all, so I just did my whole head and I made a mess in here. Got me a plastic cap. So I'm put this on. I know the back been in for a little minute, so I told you I'm gonna rinse the back out. Washing my hands, but look how red it is. Ooh. So yeah, y'all. I got it everywhere. I need to clean up, so yeah, I'm gonna put these caps on and let it process, and then I'll be back when I'm about to rinse it out. Okay, I don't really know how long this was in my hair. I wasn't timing it for real, but I do know that I'm about to wash it out because I feel like it's done, and I already see what color it's about to be. So let me show y'all what I'm gonna be using to wash my hair. I went to the beauty supply store and I bought all the Shea Moisture products. This is color safe. It say on one of these bottles that is color safe, but yeah. So that's what I'm about to use. Oh, it's there. It is at the bottom, color safe. It's not gonna focus, but that's what it says. And these products cost me $50. $50. But I'm about to rinse my hair out downstairs because yeah, this shit is red. So yeah, so I just shampooed my hair, and as y'all can see, I told y'all my sideburns wasn't gonna take for real. It's still kind of black, but it's whatever. So I'm gonna take the towel off. Mind you, the only thing I did was shampoo. So y'all, okay, I like this. My curls just look a little dry, but it's okay because we gonna fix it. Y'all, I like this color. It's definitely cute. This is me trying to show y'all the top of my head. Hopefully y'all can see that. But this is cute. Okay. This is cute. I need a trim. Okay, for the conditioner.
So I just raked the conditioner through my hair. And look, y'all, my scalp is not bad. My fingernails are, but my scalp not. And it's just so cute. Like, yeah. And my curls are not damaged. This is exactly how my curls looked before. So, yeah. The only thing I'm salty about is my black sideburns. But, it's okay, I guess. Cause, yeah. I mean, at least my baby hairs took. So, yeah. This is how it looks. I'm going to style it. And, you know, well, of course I'm going to rinse the conditioner out and all that good stuff. Then I'm going to style it and come back with a final video. So, yeah. This is just me designing my hair. And it looks great. This is literally all the shedding I had after I rinsed my hair out, like shampoo, conditioned, and detangled. This is literally all the shedding I had. Literally. So yes, this is healthy. Yes, this is safe. And I didn't end up bald-headed, but I'm red-headed. Hot girl. That's me. I put some lashes on, and I just rinsed the conditioner out of my head, and I got this curl mask now that I'm gonna put in my hair, and I'm just gonna leave it in for however long they say. I told y'all these hair products cost me $50. Yeah. This alone was $15. So yeah, I had to get the good stuff since, you know, I did something drastic to my hair. I don't want my hair to fall out. So okay, section clean with hair. Apply generously. Use a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly from roots and pay by and leave in 5 minutes. Oh, for deep penetrating treatment, cover hair with plastic cap and apply moderate heat for up to 30 minutes. Okay, that's what we gonna do because we need that, not that little 5-minute stuff that it's talking about. So I'm just gonna put this all through my hair. As y'all can see, I do not do my hair in sections. I just be putting it all around. And to distribute it evenly, I just comb. See my wide tooth comb? Yeah. But I will say I like this color. I was scared it was going to be bright. Like, bright as hell. But it's not too bright. Hold on. I want y'all to see my scalp. Like, look at that. Like, I'm just in love. Okay? So, yes, this is me. Y'all see my curls still? And actually, I'm going to use my dimming brush, too, so I can see if my curls got messed up for real or not. Because, you know. And if you know, that blonde patch that was in the front of my head, that got red for real, for real. See right there? And right there? Yeah. It got red. But I like this color. It's, like, not too much. And it fits my skin. So, yeah. And mind you, my hair's not even dry yet. So, when it's dry, it's going to look even brighter. So, yeah. Now I'm just going to let this sit in my hair for 30 minutes like this crap say. And, yeah. That's what we're going to do. And I'll be back. My lips been ashy throughout this whole video. Please don't talk about me. Please. Just finished putting flexi rods in my whole entire head. I didn't record this part because, yeah. If you want to see how I did this, then you can just watch the TikTok that will be posted on it because I made a TikTok. Yeah. So I'm gonna let this dry probably for about 48 hours. Yeah, 48 hours maybe, and then I'm gonna take these out. Yeah, and we're gonna see what they look like. What is it giving? And it better give what y'all said it was supposed to give, because I seen a lot of people do this with their natural hair, and I did exactly what y'all do. So it better give what y'all said it's supposed to give, because if it don't, I'm gonna be salty.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final product of the hair coloring. I waxed my sideburns, y'all, so it look better now, but this is my hair and I love the color. Yeah, I'm gonna go in the sun so y'all can see it better, but this is really the color, y'all. I love it. So this is how my hair looks in the sun. So red and so pretty. The wind not letting me be great, but I just came to show y'all the color.